Let's take an inside look at how the 720 Dew Simulator works. Cold water is pumped from a tow-behind water tank trailer by a high-pressure, high-volume PTO-driven cat piston pump through the coils of two in-series diesel-fired water heaters. The water heaters will burn approximately 7 to 9 gallons of diesel fuel per hour as they heat only when applying water. These dual heaters quickly boost the water temperature and automatically maintain an output temperature of 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Heated water has been shown to be more effective at softening dry windrows for proper baling. An onboard flow meter displays output rates of the heated mist and guides the operator when manually adjusting application rate with changing windrow conditions. Operating at pressures between 300 to 1100 psi at 240 degrees Fahrenheit, the Dew Simulator creates a cone-shaped mist with droplets between 20 and 40 microns in size. The 240-degree mist is delivered inside the windrow by a revolving tine reel with 65 tines and an operating width of 45 inches, expandable to 59 inches. The cam-design reel allows the tines to enter and exit the windrow vertically without disturbing the hay. In addition, actuating roller valves release the heated mist only when the tine tips are at the bottom of the windrow, delivering moisture the same way natural dew occurs. The windrow application can be customized with 11 adjustable trip sections, delivering more moisture to the top or bottom of the windrow. The unit's frame includes a torsion axle suspension for smooth travel and a rear hitch receiver rated at 16,000 pounds for a variety of water trailers.